Hello out there, to all you onion lovers out there in do-it-yourself Dell land. Today we're going to be talking about how to cut into one of these babies without crying. What happens is, when you cut into an onion, enzymes mix with sulfuric acid, making a gas that irritates the eyes. Naturally occurring defense mechanism for the onions so animals in the wild don't eat them. Makes sense. So when we cut into an onion, it's trying to make it more difficult for us to try and protect itself. So method number one for avoiding the problems and the irritation is to freeze your onions. Throw it in the fridge or freezer for 10-15 minutes, and there you go. A colder onion reduces how many chemicals are expelled. Method number two, plug your nose up. Keep it closed. Get something to pinch it, since gases coming into your nostrils cause you to tear up. Number three, wear goggles. You can help your eyes out by preventing the onion gases from getting to you. Or if you're wearing contacts, that works too. Many alternative methods exist out there, so feel free to try whatever method works out for you, but be careful, as some of them aren't actually too useful, such as chewing gum. Be careful out there on whether you're making some salsa, making an omelet with the good eggs, or bagel and lox with a little bit of onion, or over at the girlfriend's chopping onions, or over at the parents', whatever the situation. So I hope these tips work out for all you out there in cooking land. Thanks for watching. Come back for some more tips and tricks in the future.